Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make fattoush salad. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. Tomato, radish, scallion, lettuce, cucumber, fresh parsley, half small onion, a piece of bell pepper, green one and red one, and some mint leaves. 1.5 of pita bread cut in small pieces, olive oil, pomegranate molasses, some sumac, and salt. My friends, these are our ingredients, and as you notice, I didn't say the quantity that you need it because it's depend to your taste. And now let's see how to prepare our fattoush salad. First, you have to toast the pita bread in a frying pan with heated vegetable oil. Put the bread in it and fried it. You can also toast it in the oven. Fried all the pan and take it out. Leave it aside to cool down. Secondly, chop all the vegetable that we have. Put it in a bowl. Take the mint leaves one by one and put it over it. Mix all together. Then add the sumac, the salt, pomegranate molasses, and the olive oil. Mix all together. Then put it on the plate. Put the toast bread around it, and that's it. This is our fattoush salad. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.